guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. It's time for some landscaping. That wasn't planned at all. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Today is landscaping day. Landscaping day. Is that land? Is it? We're gonna clean up some trees. We had another storm 2 weeks ago. I'm not sure what the name was, but a storm is always named after a female. Because probably when you first see them, they're really calm and really gentle. And when they leave, they take your house and your car. As you can tell, we have a situation. Because this is not going to work if you want to put your car in there. And yeah, we put some tie wraps around it, but turns out tie wraps do not work when you want to fix trees. As you can tell, this thing is very old. And these parts, we already threw them to the sides. They also have to go back. Maybe I'm gonna set up a fire and cook some steak. Because it is very cold today. Can you tell it's cold? Put on a cold effect. Put on a cold effect. Clean this up, make some fire. Gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Not yet, not yet. We gotta work first. That's there. Yeah. Eating at the back of a garage is not the same as eating in the forest. It sure beats eating inside. Now, how do you guys prefer your steak? Rare, blue, or black? I just fell asleep in the hammock. We gotta get back to work. People at Warren, you seriously have to fix that Bluetooth stuff you got right over there because it's not working. If anybody from Warren is seeing this, it is not working whatsoever. So Warren, Bluetooth stuff, make sure you fix that. It's poop. Now I am not that weak, so gonna drag those manually to the back, and then it's time to yank out this monster. Gonna try to winch it out, yank it out, get OJ to stab it out, see what we can do. The hell?
Five minutes later.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but if it works, it works. And if it doesn't, hey, it doesn't. Not even a problem. That Jimny is hella strong. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoyed it and earned your subscription. Now, let me know in the comments what else you want me to do with the Jimny. Do some more gold digging, make some more food, or something else. Let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. See you guys in the next one. Cheers.